about driving from one side of Jamaica to the next side of Jamaica. I don't know why I took off the seatbelt, guys. This man drive faster than the speed of light. And how much can a taxi cost?
4,000 was I just supposed to carry go to the airport and carry you back down. Get a load, come back. You make 15 more charter, you make 18,000.
Dream, but me never used to over my mirror because me said Babylon remember me was one of them you know that fight me. The only thing was saltfish. Till one time I stop eat saltfish. Me never eat salt. Me never touch me. Me never eat nothing from the vine. Because me believe to my own righteousness could have saved me, but me realize that nothing no go so. Me was one of them you that were born.
Guys, they're eating aloe vera. My dad told my sister it's good for her skin and her insides.
Regular reason about my
do what?
I was an extremist, so I never believe in the smoking of paper. Some would I get my banana leaf and me dry it in the sun and cut it up and
you don't know.
Oh guys.
No.
Look at my face. Do I need it? No.
No, oh God.
Listen, I don't need it. I was saying only who needs it should get it, but some of it, eat it.
And the influence
you bring me one eye too and try it out.
I'm not Christian.
was one so great that everything my man is saying when I take it literal. My sings a bend down, now let me tell you what I know, but I really bend down and I listen and I know me can't hear. If my man is singing and subscribe to me, when I ball I want to like me an idiot and that's the song done when I done ball. Remember the other song we sang, I remember the day.
Alright, I'm going to do 6 press up here now. 6 press up.
What for those espresso?
Yeah.
Yo man, no. I can't do with the one.
Eh? 6 of them.
I can't do with the one. Oh, you want me to do it? Come on, do it. Sure, don't say I'm strong man.
Remember one time a police a tell me forget.
Just think about what you're so strong. No, what's up with you?
That every land belongs to black people.
No, sweetie.
Eh?
Sweetie.
Big what?
Something sweet.
No. I can just dissolve out there. I can just dissolve out the system.
You know this is bitter.
I really not come.
Make us start to rob some rich people and kill some B-man and police. But if you do the whole of that, God had purpose for my life.
Yeah, one medicine name.
Me remember the day when me and you were.
Eh? I love you.
Verse 12. And it said there was no other name given up under heaven. But would have saved me. Not one other name could have saved me. Except the name of Jesus. And me realizing God
you build from that. You know how much it's expensive? But not care you sick. And you take a carful or 1 teaspoon. When I'm pharmacy in time I come back, you come back. After much you want back and stuff like that.
Here in Germany.
Anyway.
Oh my lord. It is now 5 minutes before we get to 9 o'clock here in Jamaica. Gotta do this.
How you can eat this like no?
You just get used to it, man.
No, you used to this as well.
That's good.
You, missus?
Bitter.
Everything is good here. Just put little salt on it.
Salt? So you know you with salt?
No, because
Hyundai, Toyota,
natural
Nissan.
without.
Guys, look for him though. Him look fresh. And I am new shirt and white pants. Gray.
Your blood. Nothing can come in your bloodstream. No cool.
You know why I need that.
What means they're not helping with it? That have a German, but in our son, you know, look. Just do it till you're ready. When you swallow it, it's going to your blood more fast. why you just rub your hand fire. Rub it for your face.
Hey guys, welcome to Jamaican Experience. It's the Chris representing Jamaica here in Jamaica for a change. And today's video will be all about driving from one side of Jamaica to the next side of Jamaica. So we're starting out in the west.
Yes.
And we're heading to the east. So my dad here will be bringing us to Mobay, and then Miss Blossom will be bringing us to Portland from Mobay, and this whole day will be a day of driving, I'm guessing. How long I think it will take?
From Montego to Mobile?
Yeah.
Less than an hour.
And then from Mobay to Portland?
Well, Blossom would determine that. She know how far she drive.
Yeah.
I don't know how far she drive.
That's true, but how far you think it be from one end to the next? Estimate, like without stopping and so. What you estimate?
Roughly about 4 hours.
Okay. I mean guys, we'll be having stopover.
Lamar.
You're going in Salama?
Yes, to take a taxi home.
Uh-oh. Alright.
You're not up on the way somewhere?
It still can get you in Salama.
Okay.
Okay. So Maya, make sure she put in our stop. Maya, you make sure you put in your stop.
Oh yeah. Would I turn and go on a ferries?
Yeah guys, so stay
I
tuned.
won't go first, you know.
Huh?
Don't go first. We just go Amity and then you get a ride from Amity. Go in the south. And we then go our toll gate. Everyone go lose again and go back my place. And then you get a drive and go in the south. But go left yourself. Anyway. If I that's a dog, Land Island.
Huh?
A Land Island you live.
No, me I take a stop. The taxi to Virgin.
Eh?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna let you out at toll gate then.
Green Island side Main Street.
Okay. You may know you live down
Land Island. I'm not sure from this time.
Really?
A long time.
I'm
Me I
going
work at the hotel when them a build at Green Island.
I'm below till I
Yeah.
don't know about that.
Princess Hotel is supposed to be the biggest hotel in Jamaica when it's finished.
No man, it became bigger and Grand Palace. Grand one.
It will be when it's done.
The one we don't lose it, don't point there.
It will be
I
bigger
biggest
than
hotel that.
A Palladium?
Yeah.
This one is going to be bigger.
Boy, I don't want to see that. Much room.
You don't want to see that.
The dump of the swamp. See how they build in the beach.
By where your niece.
Ah, that's where we just got the Aki yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay. So yesterday we were eyeing these sugar canes over here. So we want one sugar cane.
Yeah.
Because guys, we didn't get any sugar cane since we got here.
Yes, so me just get you one.
Yeah, just get me one. Just so spontaneous. Alright. Sugar cane.
Huh?
Sugar cane.
Cane?
You want cane? Sarah, which one?
Then you do Exactly. You don't know where they go. And sometimes they'll show you like pictures from like years ago, but if you try to search for it, you can't find it.
Yeah. We love the new shirt, man.
Can I like it? Why? It
I'll
looks
just
nice.
how you give me.
Oh God, come on, man. It looks so good for you. You look so handsome.
I mean, I've done it. My favorite one.
What is
I
your...
read it. Red and white.
Oh,
That look good.
thank you. But it's not ready to eat,
You know, red
man.
and white. You got the knife? How you can?
Like me still. Oh, you have to get the cane, but we can't clean.
Cut up yourself. You can't do that later.
The funny thing is, I want a short sleeve shirt. Cereal like this. You have to say. It's pattern them in a green and I like weed leaf. Yes. And I like them, but I see them green and yellow. I treat my
Nice,
fast
man.
man, some never
This
really
is make you look well
bright.
vacation-y, yeah.
Oh God.
And the white pants too. Okay, so
White pants.
I have the seat belt like an idiot. I love my life. Wait there. I don't know why I took off the seat belt, guys. This man drive faster than the speed of light.
The speed I like it.
This fella can advocate the less potholes for us.
Yes, guys, fix the potholes. Make the driver tell her himself.
Yes, fix the roads. We're tired of the pothole then.
Maya said she's tired of them and she's not even driver. So what the drivers? What you say, taxi man?
You can't tell as much area because every service from the patrol, she just going like this. Two side. Take a lot of energy. Really balancing up in the seat. So, you know,
God.
I can't imagine how she feel around here.
Oh, but me talk about from your perspective. Oh, after the car come and shop.
Oh man, many a time, lot of money and control up to rack and pinion.
What that mean?
Rack and pinion what use the steering.
Oh,
The steering depending on the steering.
so what if I fix it? I have to fix the steering too.
What do you mean by you fix rack and pinion? That are the major thing. It's like in your heart, the steering heart.
Oh,
If you have no rack and pinion, you have no steering. That's what keeps the steering
They're
alive.
coming to put in the Wi-Fi today, everybody.
yeah.
Finally. Stop. Stop.
You see when the rack and pinion lick out, the rack and pinion lick out, the tire then lick out, the bar joint lick out, everything lick out. Because all the tire deteriorate, the tire eat off to the wire, one-sided.
Oh gosh.
And you know how much one tire?
How much you want tire?
You get tire for 15,000, you get tire, cheapest tire you can get right now are like 9,500, 9,500
Oh
and
God.
and 2 month time a tire to the front end week it off in a 2 week, 3 week time.
Oh gosh.
You want the next week the 9,500 tire.
So it's a taxi man life not so easy.
No, you work on money but you have to spend it back because then if police see you with a tire where you push out on your car, you know that guy might charge you for one tire.
Oh,
He might give you one ticket for
The bad tire.
The bad tire, 7,500 the lease.
That I had the same price for the tire itself, but that's why I really keep your tire up to date.
Right.
Oh gosh.
So it's just like you're working for nothing. Your work go long and then you can't see nothing.
Oh
Just
gosh.
hand to mouth. I'll change again. 1 gallon of oil of it. 5,000, 6,000. And you need 7 quarter oil. 5 quart in a 1 gallon. And you need an extra quart.
Well, you need so much alpha for the month or for the week? Where you at?
Well, an oil change can go last maybe for a month.
Oh.
Then you want to change again. And just oil alone.
Oh.
Need filter. You have to buy a filter. Well, the filter now is so expensive. Thank God the filter is not so expensive.
Okay, thank
But
God.
the workman, again, it's a good thing me have a cousin then where me can give him all 2,500.
Oh gosh, connection is good in Jamaica.
Yeah. That reasonable. Some project go, they want at least 5,000 just for an oil change.
Oh, wow.
Well, the type of vehicle I drive, like all of vaccine, maybe, yeah, can give him 1, 2 or 1, 3. As me say, me never know me give him all 2,500. And he said go for that. But not everybody has to say go for that. Everybody does still.
Oh gosh.
But I have to go on a vehicle, if rain fall, he still have to go on a vehicle because pull the oil bump. In a crankcase will leak out the bad oil. As soon as it leak out, you go back and they go put in back the bump, for showing back the fresh one.
Okay.
Well, luckily, him not really go underneath for change, take off the bad filter. You have a pulling tool where you can just put over the filter and stand up before the engine and pull off the filter,
Okay.
the bad one, and then screw back the good one.
So, me can ask you some numbers things.
Some numbers?
Yeah, like if somebody would be interested in starting a taxi business in Jamaica,
Yeah.
what are the numbers? Like how much we get the taxi itself, how much you pay a month or a week for expenses, and how much you then make? Like is it so like
No, you can't determine that yet. Until you get the taxi, and when you start the road, you have to get a road where you would have liked to work on. Like for instance, you would have liked to work from Negril to Savlamar.
yes.
You have to run a day and stop to Negril. But again, you have to have the road, everything. Go to Transport Authority, get the road license.
And that costs money too.
Yes.
So let me ask you the numbers, like how would I go if you want to set up the business? Oh, expensive.
Well, first, you have to get the taxi.
And how much can a taxi cost?
Well, like a vaccine now, I run taxi. A vaccine can cost up to 3.5.
Oh gosh. Alright, continue. And then?
You're going to Transport Authority. Taxi Association first.
Yes.
Apply for your taxi route. Because you have to have a taxi route where you'd rather to run a taxi on. So them are going to tell you now from there why require. So you get your taxi passed by the Transport Authority.
Yeah.
After them sign you up, send up to the Transport Authority for you get your taxi examined. That means after them examine it and then say it's good to go to run taxi. Them are going to pass it and give you back one farm you go to transport. Now transport, the taxi association with and make them complete one form with all your license number and your insurance and whatever. Then require. So after Transport Authority require that taxi association now are going get sign it out and give it. And then you have to go back to transport authority where they give you. And then I'm going to sign it up and give it back again.
Okay.
After they give it back again now, taxi association, I'm going to make certain say when they comply with to them, alright, and when they comply to you, alright. So you're good to go.
So the whole starting up with the whole what do you call it, taxi?
In association.
Association, and so what do you think the fees them come up to all in all to start it up now?
Well, I think you pay like 15,000 at the paymaster. From the receipt where the taxi association give, them will send with one paper paymaster. We pay the money, the license fee to fee government.
Yeah.
And then from this on now, you get a receipt. They will charge you a fee for what them do too. Maybe 5,000.
Like 20,000.
Yeah, call it 20,000. And they come with a late fee too. If it is behind for them time, you're going to have to pay 20,000. More. No, 20,000 that's all. And then you still have to go pay them 5 more. So maybe you can't cost more than 25.
Okay.
You have to make sure you pay in a due time. So you don't cost 20,000.
Okay. So then after that, everything ready to go?
Yeah.
But what happens to the people when I have 3.5 million put on? What you do?
If we get the taxi,
Yeah.
some people go around the bush, man. Yeah. When we mean go around the bush, they use a white plate for that. I use a small car where you don't pay so much money for.
Yeah.
Then call it robot.
How much? That's the white plate taxi, yeah?
Yeah, I tell you, if you can go up to it, and you mean say you have to eat a food, and government not to get nothing out of it. But when they hold up, and then I was holding there, all they do is wait till the government take out of their bed. Police. Because no man, and some man now wait till the police gone on our bed. They out there with them and run the clock, same here.
They might live the good illegal life.
Yeah?
They might live the good illegal life.
Yeah, if you go illegal, you more fear. Because then you'll have to drive and look behind you every second.
Yeah,
if a police that come.
Yeah.
Let him out there, sir. You can't get on taxi.
Moya, you're leaving me.
Bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
Yeah,
baby.
Sad.
I'll see you next week. We are talking.
Hey, I think I'm going to see you again.
Still one ball.
10 years. Was I with them? Was I 10 years from now again?
No, sir, don't say that. Don't say that.
Bye, Javari. See you. Say bye.
Bye, Javari.
Bye.
You're not telling me bye.
Oh, you're looking so sad.
You're not saying bye, Javari.
Like a company, man.
You're not telling me
Oh,
goodbye.
God. Oh, no.
Come here.
Not tell you. He's sad. He looks
Come here.
sad,
Give me a little handshake at least.
Yeah.
Come, Mr. Here. Take care of yourself. Take care, Maya.
Next week. Bye.
Joking.
Shut up. I'll have it to backside. This is not funny.
Rocco. You watch Papa like how you know what Papa. Come like me not for here.
Oh, gosh. That was fast.
Hey, a Papa.
But look at Patrick's in. Patrick's gonna fix your hair soon.
Hey, look in the service done. Shoes now. And look in our pocket.
Like this? One white buckle?
No man. Shoes doing our box. One little box. And look up in one Papa.
Oh God. Alright, that one they can't fix, but that one they can might fit.
That one I can't fix.
Oh, you need the X end of that.
Boy, don't do it.
Oh, you need like one whole what do you call
Yes,
it?
strap.
The strap.
That's it.
Guys, you're fixing the watch, it already mashed up. Oh gosh. I can't open.
And I'm going to wear my church watch. But now they know.
You know, open, you know?
Now,
I forgot to open it from your son.
you want to play it?
Maybe if I could have tunked something in there.
You want
And it's
put
too much I got
something
come out. Yeah, want to look at sticker so. Can't well this.
Japan, anyway, Japan pants. And you can't come like a whole life pants. Damn, but
Nah, joke.
Shout out to Auntie Daphne. Hello. I went to look for her. I went to look for her yesterday. Something like that.
So guys, I just fixed this.
Yeah, my Roadside went to look for her.
So I can put it here so make it dry.
She's okay. She's still in on
So how much for a taxi if it's not the vaccine?
anything you can use, Darren. You can use. One I time when I drive a car like this, so a man. Out a little bit.
Yeah. How much was
Taxi. In a time they expensive, but if you buy a car like this, you know, you kind of update it, it's old, you know.
How much is it?
So maybe you could have get a car like this right now. Left the condition in around 350,000.
Eh? Not bad.
But you have in a good condition, you know, because it transport people then now want to pass it.
Oh. So then the one in the good condition is probably not 300, eh? Or you can get lucky.
If you don't get like this, you know, fit 335. Because it's
What,
old.
3.5 million?
No man, 350. Because I age, you know.
Yeah.
And every year, if you renew the road license, you have to do an examine on it. Make the examiner test it. How to see how bad it is. If it up to par, get back the road license. Because if you know, if I'm good, you can passenger, remember, transport. People who are driving for transportation have to drive in somewhere good because you put somewhere now roadworthy because people, because going up and down you need somewhere strong and look good too. And people now are driving and now bassa. You know see?
That is true.
Near reach where you go.
Yeah.
That makes sense. You know? So you have a look when I latest week to them and you know when I latest week to them.
It's the vaccine.
Yeah, and they're expensive.
Okay. But like you can pay down on the vaccine, that's what I was getting at still.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah. Well, me never go through that route.
Yeah.
You know how much you have in a bank
Yeah.
for them financing and then you work by the
But
by the month they that charge you.
the thing is like you are financing it but you're doing it through somebody.
Yeah.
So you know, Jamaican is all about connections and helping one another.
Yeah.
So
If you have somebody to work it down here for you. When we have a relationship in a bank.
So we did there.
We don't care about the connection with the person who have connection in a bank. We can do it like that for you. If you don't have a connection with a bank. I feel my son connection now work off because I can buy the vehicle. Eh?
Oh boy. But all in all, you're still making a living off of this, so it can't be all up and all you say a hand to mouth. You're better than some, no?
Yeah man, they're not at all.
Yeah.
Time, you know. Yeah, this is something. Until next time.
Sorry, tell me like what one good month would that look like? I want good.
Well, a long time I don't see one good month.
Just tell me what it could look like. Like the people that will want to do the business.
I was like December come now to Christmas.
Yeah.
In Christmas time, I find people move from one end to one end and
Yeah.
road busy.
Yeah, well, so what happens when the road busy? How much you can make?
You can make a lot of money, man. Let's take the kind of people that we run into, because sometimes we run into people who want to move and they will pay X amount of money for drop a per day.
Oh.
You know, and give a little charter too, you know.
Yeah.
So, because I get a charter from Westmoreland to airport then.
Yeah.
And you charge like 15,000, and he said, no man, I can't give more than 12. Yeah.
That is still a good money.
Yeah, you consider that is a good money because you have to put call it say 4,000 what I guess suppose you can go to the airport and carry you back down.
Yeah.
But you have to consider say when you come back down, you just gone down still. So
Yeah.
because they put 5,000 in it.
Yeah.
And when you come back down, you have to run 2 trips. 2 round trip like from South to Angel. With it, what gas you have left.
Ah, yeah, when you're coming back up, you mean? No, once you reach back up.
Like you go south.
Yeah.
Like you go left from south and go Montego Bay airport. Pick up a person who you pick up for 12,000. For 15 a time, but then say take 12, right? And you agree. Because you put 5,000 gas in a vehicle. And you say 4,000 we can go and come. But you put one extra 1,000 more, make 5. Out of 12, you go end up with 7,000 now in your pocket. But you see, the extra 1,000 you put in there make 5.
Yeah.
You go on your route where you run. So you go look at gas money now, out of what gas you have left.
Yeah.
But you know, like we put back on 4,000 in there where you can continue work by your road. Yeah? You get one load go up at Angel, you may make 1,500.
Wow, that's
Right. And if you get a load come back, you make 15 more.
Yeah, so that's almost the whole gas money.
That's would have 30, that's 3 grand. And you know, must make 3 grand. You can make even 2 or 3 or maybe 2.5, you know.
Yeah.
So you're going somewhere. When you go down, you still have gas. You can make a next trip.
Yeah, man.
So if you make a next trip again, and you make, because it's a 2.5 again.
Yeah.
That I would have 5 grand you end up with. So you can buy 4 grand worth of gas now and determine say you have to work
That I
for the
go
rest of
serve
it.
the day, yeah.
Alright.
And then from this, so you can make a next 15. Not true?
Yeah.
So what happened without the charter thing now? How much you make a day without the charter?
Without the chartering now. So you have to burn gas.
Oh God. So the charter the best case scenario. Okay.
Yeah man, when you get the charter, it's more easier because if you drive on top and move off on top, you burn gas,
Okay.
burn brake. So either less wear and tear and less gas, and you gain more energy.
But you say like regular life as a taxi man, you go out for a day, for like good day, how much you come back home with?
I can tell you, it all depends all the time busy.
That means give me a good day, and then you give me a bad day. So the people them can get an idea. You don't know a good day no man, a bad day no more. Of course it all varies.
Yeah, but you can good like a charter you get money. Remember me tell you that was it.
Alright, we get the charter day. You say with the charter day you can make up to like 30, no so?
I mean, when I get one charter, I make 18,000. And much as their own car and I make one teacher man from White House.
Yeah.
Those man to go there. And wait for her. But that woman they dead you know.
That's why you can't miss out that view here.
You play?
Yeah. You just nice, I'm sure.
Be nice man. And when we come back, we can go home our yard in a White House.
Oh, so you carry it one from?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait on her and...
A drunker them there?
Yeah?
Drunker?
Wait then.
Up there so?
Over my mouth.
No, over way now. They say when drunker dead and something died.
Junker dead.
No, when drunker fly something died.
Oh, and then Junker have to fly now up in the air.
But them a circle.
Yeah, if you circle more time, yes. And there, you don't know what they're around.
Probably would have smell it.
Yeah, scavenger them. They have to clean. Clean the atmosphere.
Sorry, we talk about the money, kind of. People can make a little idea of what you just said. So all the expenses part, don't know where you have to spend on the car, the patrol.
I tell you, man, it's weird, man. One servicing can cost up to 100,000. If you have service for a company and you have service, you buy tire then, you buy bar joint, you balance, you buy tire. It can cost up to 100,000.
That's our weekly, monthly?
No,
every few months, something happens?
Yeah, like if a service overall service, you must can work 1 year like that.
Oh, so 1 year for the service.
Yeah.
And then you spend 100,000 every year for service.
No, you can work 1 whole year before you change this pad, you know.
Oh.
And change the oil, you know. No, then it's something that change regular because every day you're on the road.
How much for this?
Dumb.
Dumb?
Yeah, you go with her, you know.
Oh.
Dumb and dumb food.
Oh gosh.
Dumb food correct. They make the gas light come on, you know.
Yes.
So, from gas station up it up. You have to put some gas in it, you know.
Alright.
You get find out how much gas you have to need.
I don't know, say 5,000.
What?
5,000?
Yeah.
Around that.
Yeah. And maybe half it.
Half it?
Half the tank. The tank is deep.
That is good still, but not good with the price. You know, nobody have no jerk pan. We can buy a jerk pan for jerk chicken one and empty.
Okay.
Or even on back a country, you know, run a, let's call it again. Can buy
What
one.
means you want jerk pan?
You know, me never jerk chicken like that before. Me always just bites. But I like the experience, so it go to actually jerk the chicken from the bun and see if I have it.
If you have it.
Probably not have it. Probably would have to sample all 3 times before I come out right. But I want to try. You can't rent them out or something. Yeah, there's some gas money. My dad told me it's about 1,200 to go all the way to Kingston for a taxi.
From bus.
From bus. Not so bad like from that.
But yeah, you have got top and...
Oh yeah. But it's cheaper than if you have your car and I go there because the gas money.
Yeah.
That's something I think it would have been more because I guess money.
And they drive out on the car money. 5,090 and more one receipt, please.
Guys, you know what? It's a lot to the taxi business still, you know. So if you don't have any questions, well, never get answered, you can write them in the comments. Let me try ask him. I'm gonna try to get the answer for Uno. That's all.
Uno.
Yeah, man.
A Jamaican.
Yeah, man. Jamaicans might be abroad want to start a business out here. How do you think? I don't know. Are even Jamaicans here? Then probably I wonder how it go. I don't know.
It's so quick, you know.
I'm sure it's not
No, until the panic clock. The pump. 2 points.
So that one you fast.